Hello everyone. In the last videos, we have studied the elimination by substitution method, the elimination by equating coefficient method, graphical method, and determinant method, which is also known as Cramer's rule method, to solve the linear equations in two variables. Now, observe these equations carefully. Whether these equations are linear? No. These are not linear equations because after simplifying they will have the term in xy. Can we convert these equations into linear equations? Yes, we can create new variables making a proper change in the given variables. Substituting the new variables in the given non-linear equations, we can convert them into linear equations. Remember that the denominator of any fraction of the form m upon n cannot be 0. Now, let us learn how to create new variables to convert such type of equations into linear equations and to solve them. So, this is the example. Here 4 upon x plus 5 upon y equal to 7 is the first equation and 3 upon x plus 4 upon y equal to 5 is the second equation. So, separate the coefficients from the variables. 4 into 1 upon x plus 5 into bracket 1 upon y equal to 7. And again for second equation 3 into bracket 1 upon x plus 4 into bracket 1 upon y equal to 5. Now this part in both the equations is common. So replace this by new variable m. And 1 upon y, this part is common in both the equations. So replace it by new variable n. We get 4m plus 5n equal to 7 and 3m plus 4n equal to 5. This is the third equation and this is the fourth equation. Now these are linear equations. We can use any one of the methods that we learned earlier to solve these equations. On solving these equations, we get m equal to 3 and n equal to minus 1. Now, resubstitute the values of m and n like this. M equal to 1 upon x. Therefore, 3 equal to 1 upon x. So, x equal to 1 upon 3. And n equal to 1 upon y. Therefore, minus 1 equal to 1 upon y. Therefore, y equal to minus 1. So, this is the solution of these equations. 1 upon 3, minus 1. This is the second example. Here, separate the coefficients like this. 4 into bracket 1 upon x minus y plus 1 into bracket 1 upon x plus y equal to 3. This is the first equation. For second equation, 2 into bracket 1 upon x minus y minus 3 into bracket 1 upon x plus y equal to 5. This is the second example. Now, this part 1 upon x minus y, replace this part by new variable in both the equations. Again, 1 upon x plus y, this part is replaced by new variable b in both the equations like this. So equation becomes 4a plus b. See, 4a plus 1b means b equal to 3. 2a, put here new variable a, minus 3 into b equal to 5. This is the fourth equation. Now again solve these equations. On solving these, we get a equal to 1 and b equal to minus 1. But resubstitute the values of a and b. Again we get a equal to 1 upon x minus y and b equal to 1 upon x plus y. Put the values of a and b like this. 1 upon x minus y equal to 1. Therefore, and 1 upon x plus y equal to minus 1. Here b. This is a. Now solve these equations. Like cross multiply. Here we get x minus y equal to 1. And for this cross multiply these, we get x plus y equal to minus 1. Again solve these equations and we get the solution as x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 1. Now this is the activity for your homework. Solve this activity in your notebook. And these are some examples for practice. Solve them in your notebook. Thank you.